Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you be a police officer with a felony? Let's get straight to the point. The answer, in almost every single case across the United States, is a firm no. There are a few key reasons for this, and the biggest one is federal law. The Gun Control Act of 1968 makes it illegal for anyone convicted of a felony to own, possess, or transport a firearm. Since carrying a firearm is a fundamental and non-negotiable part of being a police officer, this federal law alone creates an impassable barrier. There is simply no way for a police department to hire you if you cannot legally carry a gun. Beyond this major federal hurdle, every state has its own set of standards for peace officers, usually managed by a post commission, which stands for Peace Officer Standards and Training. These state-level rules almost universally and explicitly disqualify anyone with a felony conviction from being certified as a law enforcement officer. This is a matter of both law and public trust. A felony conviction is seen as a serious breach of moral character, and police departments have an extremely high standard for the integrity and background of their applicants. Now, what about misdemeanors? This is where it gets a bit more gray, but some misdemeanors are also automatic disqualifiers. If you have a conviction for misdemeanor domestic violence, you cannot be a cop. This is due to a federal law called the Lautenberg Amendment, which, much like the rule for felonies, bans you from possessing a firearm. For other misdemeanors, like theft, simple assault, or drug possession, it really depends on the specific department's policies, the nature of the crime, and how long ago it occurred. Many departments will disqualify you for any crime involving dishonesty or moral turpitude. Another common question is about expunged records. You might think an expungement wipes the slate clean, but for law enforcement applications, it doesn't. You are required to disclose all arrests and convictions, even if they were sealed or expunged. Background investigators for police agencies have a much higher level of access to records than a typical employer, and they will find it. Lying or failing to disclose it is an integrity violation, and that will guarantee you are disqualified. Honesty is absolutely critical. So, to recap, a felony conviction is a permanent disqualifier for becoming a police officer in America. It's not a department policy, it's a matter of federal and state law. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video cleared up this important question. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward answers about law enforcement careers. We'll see you in the next one.